If you drive a Ford and see a Service AdvanceTrac message on your dashboard, I want to go over what could be causing it and how you can fix the issue. What is the AdvanceTrac system? AdvanceTrac is Ford's traction control system designed to assist drivers in challenging road conditions. It uses sensors, including wheel speed sensors, to monitor the vehicle's performance and adjust things like engine speed and braking to help maintain control, especially in situations like rain or slippery roads. In short, it's a system Ford created to give drivers extra support when road conditions aren't ideal. When you see the Service AdvanceTrac message, you'll probably notice a few other warning lights or messages on your dashboard. These could include the traction control light, stability control light, ABS light, and sometimes even a collision warning malfunction message. So it's not uncommon to have multiple warnings popping up at the same time. Check the onboard computer for error codes. The first thing you should do, if possible, is to scan the onboard computer for error codes. Using an OBD2 scan tool can help pinpoint the problem. There are a lot of affordable OBD2 scanners available. Alternatively, many auto parts stores offer free scanning services, so you can always head there for help. The key is to scan the computer for error codes to get a better idea of what's going wrong. Bad battery connections or charging issues. One of the first things to check if you're seeing the Service AdvanceTrac message is your battery. Start by inspecting the battery terminals to ensure they're in good condition. No corrosion, no loose connections, or anything that could be causing an issue. You should also check that the battery itself is fully charged and functioning properly. Many forum users have reported that battery or charging issues often trigger the Service AdvanceTrac message, and you might even see a low battery warning on your dashboard as well. If you're getting that, it's a good idea to check your battery and make sure it's in good shape. Engine problem or limp mode. Another possible cause for the Service AdvanceTrac message could be an underlying engine issue. In some cases, there might not actually be a problem with the AdvanceTrac system itself, but rather with the engine. When the engine has an issue, the vehicle's computer will automatically disable the AdvanceTrac system. Once the engine problem is resolved, the system will typically turn back on. Often, when there's an engine problem, the vehicle may enter limp mode, which on Ford vehicles is usually indicated by a wrench symbol on the dashboard. However, it's also possible for the engine issue to occur without triggering limp mode. If you scan the vehicle's computer, it should point out the engine problem. For example, if you get a P0304 error code, it would indicate a misfire in cylinder 4, which could be caused by a faulty spark plug wire, or fuel injector. Once the engine issue is fixed, the AdvanceTrac light and any other related warning lights should clear. Faulty wheel speed sensor or tone ring. Another potential cause for the Service AdvanceTrac message could be a faulty wheel speed sensor or tone rings. If this is the issue, you'll likely get a specific error code, like a C1233 code, which indicates a missing input signal from the left front wheel speed sensor. In this case, you'd need to test the wheel speed sensor for that particular wheel. A bad wheel speed sensor can definitely trigger this warning. Faulty clock spring or steering angle sensor. Additionally, a malfunctioning clock spring or steering angle sensor could be at fault. These components are located inside the steering wheel, and when they fail, you may notice problems like being unable to engage cruise control or issues with your blinker not turning off automatically after a turn. These are common signs of a bad clock spring. You'd also get error codes pointing to this issue, such as a C0051 code, which indicates a problem with the steering wheel position sensor. If that's the case, further testing would be necessary to pinpoint the exact problem. Mismatched wheels or tires. Another cause that is sometimes overlooked is mismatched or different sized tires on the vehicle. If you have spare or mismatched tires, this can trigger the AdvanceTrac warning and set off codes. So if you're experiencing this issue, it's worth checking to ensure that all your tires and wheels are the correct size and match each other. Faulty ABS pump or ABS control module. The final thing to consider is the ABS pump or ABS control module, which is located in the engine compartment. The ABS pump has several lines connected to it, and the control module is bolted onto it. If there's a malfunction with either of these, it can activate the Service AdvanceTrac message. You'll also get a code such as U0121, indicating lost communication with the ABS control module. If you see this code, it's a clear sign that the ABS control module is likely the culprit, and you would need to test and inspect it further to confirm if it's the cause of the issue. That's pretty much it. If you have any additional tips or thoughts, feel free to comment below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.